Käthe Kollwitz employed a variety of intaglio printmaking techniques in these two prints from the series Peasants' War. In Italian, the word intagliare means to carve or incise. Intaglio printmaking involves incising a design into the surface of a metal plate. Master printer Jacob Samuel, lecturer in the Department of Art at the University of California, Los Angeles, demonstrates some of the many intaglio processes Kollwitz used in her prints, including dry point, etching, and aquatint. With a dry point needle, the printmaker scratches a line directly into the copper plate. Tiny metal shavings called burr curl up along the edges of the incised line. The incised line and burr hold ink, and when printed, produce dark, velvety lines. In the print charge, you can see the rich, inky dry point lines in the folds of the woman's dress. To make an etching, the printmaker starts by covering the copper plate's surface with an acid-resistant substance called ground, which can be hard or soft. In hard ground etching, lines are drawn through the ground with an etching needle, revealing the copper below. The plate is then immersed into an acid bath. The acid, or mordant, bites the exposed metal, eating away the lines and marks that will hold the ink. Lengthening the plate's exposure to the acid increases the depth and thickness of the incised lines. Here, in the woman's hands, we can see Kollwitz's etched lines. This metal brush is similar to an etching tool called a needle bundle, which Kollwitz used to score fine, closely spaced lines into the ground. In The Plowmen, the dynamic pattern of lines made with the needle bundle animates the sky. A soft etching ground can be impressed with a textured surface, like fabric or paper. The imprinted texture is then etched into the copper. Aquatint is an etching process that produces areas of tone rather than lines. The copper plate is coated with an acid-resistant powdered resin and then heated. The resin particles melt and fuse to the plate. The acid bites the tiny spaces surrounding the particles. The length of exposure to the acid, as well as the size of the resin particles, can vary the tone and texture of aquatint. Here, the masterful use of aquatint produces tones in the sky that have the appearance of watercolor wash. Jacob Samuel's test plate demonstrates several techniques employed by Kollwitz. In The Plowmen, Kollwitz layered multiple intaglio processes together on a single plate, creating varied lines, tones, and textures. Through her rigorous experimentation, Kollwitz created technically complex and compelling images.